Beerus sneezes during dinner and accidentally destroys the boundary between the living universe and the Null Realm, causing every deceased warrior who ever died in that empty space during the Tournament of Power to materialize back into existence fully restored. Whis realizes the warriors think the tournament is still happening and immediately begin fighting each other with full power in Universe 7, which has no arena walls to contain the collateral damage. Goku excitedly jumps in wanting to fight Jiren again, but Daishinkan appears furious because these warriors were never properly erased. They were stored in the Null Realm as observers. Vegeta faces a version of Toppo who achieved full destroyer transformation during his years of waiting in the Null Realm. Whis detects that the returning warriors are leaking Null Realm energy into Universe 7, which is slowly converting normal space into the colorless void, and if it spreads far enough, Earth will become uninhabitable within hours. Beerus tries to sneeze again, hoping to reverse what he did, but Whis physically restrains him because a second sneeze could destroy the boundary between all 12 universes simultaneously. Jiren appears before Goku, radiating power that bends reality around him. Jiren looks at Goku with something close to emotion and says he finally understands why Goku smiled during their battle. Zeno claps, excited by the chaos, and accidentally subscribe for